items on each. Okay, so on the paper plate in front of you, right, these are your own individual materials for making your leaves. But you can see in the center of the table, there's a big pile of very nice ornaments. These are shared items, so everyone in the table can use it. Okay, so just share with everyone in the table.